If your code can't make a decision, it can't do anything. Today, we teach JavaScript to think. If, else, switch, and the operators that power them all. Every decision in code is a true or false question. Is the user logged in? Is the price over 50? Is this a gold member? Answer the question, pick a branch, run the code. Meet the comparison crew. Double equals checks value. Triple equals checks value and type. Not equals, greater than, less than, greater or equal, less or equal. These build every true or false question you'll ever write. Quick trap. The string 5 double equals the number 5? True. Triple equals, false. Different types. Rule of thumb, use triple equals. Every time. Save yourself the 2 a.m. debugging session, the if statement. Condition true, run the block. That's it. Add else, and you get a plan B. If the hour is less than 18, say good day. Otherwise, say good evening. 2 branches, 1 decision. Need more than 2 options? Chain it. If, else. The first condition that's true wins. Everything below it? Skipped. Morning, day, evening. 1 line each, 1 clean decision tree. Quick syntax note. 1 line per branch. You can skip the braces. 2 lines or more. Braces are required. Forget them, and only the first line runs. Silent bug, ruined afternoon. Just always use braces. When you're comparing the same variable against a bunch of values, switch is your friend. Case gold, return 1,000. Case silver, return 800. Default, return 500. Don't forget break, or every case below runs too. Sometimes 1 question isn't enough. Enter logical operators. Double ampersand means and, both must be true. Double pipe means or, either can be true. Exclamation mark means not. Flip true to false. 3 symbols, infinite power. Real example, is months a number and greater than 0? Is nan of months equals false, and months greater than 0, both true? Calculate the rate. 1 false? Show an error. That's a compound condition doing real work, and the not operator makes it readable. Instead of is nan equals false, just write not is nan. Same logic, half the noise. Your future teammates will love you. Compare, branch, combine. That's decisions in JavaScript. If this made decisions click for you, drop the word decided in the comments so I know you made it. Smash like. Subscribe. Next tutorial, we build a full membership calculator using every operator you just learned. See you there.